Editing videos can be super exciting, but the process can slow you down sometimes. Huge file sizes, unsupported formats, and manually adding subtitles that take hours. That's exactly where Wondershare UniConverter steps in, a complete creative toolkit designed to make your workflow faster and smoother. It supports batch processing for multiple projects at once without any hustle. In today's video, we'll explore some powerful features like video converter, AI video compressor, AI subtitle editor, even speech-to-text and video merger. You can download the software directly using the link in the description below. Let's dive in and start the tutorial. First up, the video converter. This feature lets you change any video into any format for any platform. All with a simple batch process. We'll start by clicking Add File and selecting 5 video clips at once for batch conversion. Once the files are loaded, you can adjust the output settings for all of them instantly. Notice the original format and resolution in the left and the target format to the right. By selecting the output format here at the bottom left, you can choose common formats like MOV or MP4 from a lot of output formats listed in the side panel, or choose specialized codecs like FFV1 and AMV formats, or even there is an option for convert your videos to live photos. For this example, we'll convert all 5 clips to a standard MOV 4K video format to ensure the highest quality. You can see that all the video output has been changed to MOV format at once. Now hit Convert All and watch as UniConverter leverages your GPU for lightning fast batch processing. And just like that, your conversions are done. Simply open the folder to see all your new clips ready to go. Now let's look at the AI video compressor to handle those large files. Click Add File on the card and select a large video clip by drag and drop your file, or by clicking the Add File button. You can select multiple files at once or select a larger file. Here I am selecting a single large size file. You can instantly see the original file size, and UniConverter gives you a target size. Click Reduce File Size to open the compression settings. We can use the slider to adjust the quality of the output or to quickly find a balance between size and quality. When you slide left, the size of the file will be reduced. You can also manually prioritize quality or file size. For this clip, we'll stick with prioritize quality. Select MOV format and specify a video type. The estimated output size will be displayed here. The AI smartly compresses the video. If we select the AI compression radio button, the AI will reduce the file size, but we can't able to see the estimated output file size. We can see that there are options to control the output size. Let's choose MOV format. You can see that there are different video types available like film and TV series, anime and cartoons, tutorial and conference, sports and live events. Let's choose film and TV series here. Hit OK. The result, a huge file size reduction from 636 megabytes to 443 megabytes. That's 2 without losing any significant amount of quality. That is really amazing. Moving on to the video merger, perfect for vlogs and travel edits. Go to the merger tab and add your video files by clicking the Add Files button. Again, we'll select 5 videos and click the Load button. Now all 5 videos have been loaded into our workspace. You can trim individual clips by clicking right here on the Trim button, and will be redirected to the timeline to keep only the best segments. Repeat the process for each clip if you want. Once your trims are done, you can enable the Retain Chapter marker so that it will generate updated chapter details for the merged clips from the file names by overwriting the existing chapter information. Ensure the output format is set to what you need and select Merge as the Save to option, then hit Merge All. The clips are merged in seconds, giving you one final video file that combines all your clips seamlessly by applying suitable transitions between the clips. Finally, the speech-to-text and subtitle editor. Navigate to the speech-to-text section. There will be 2 options, create and edit subtitles and the batch transcriptions. Let's choose batch transcription and add a video file by clicking the Add File button. Once the video is selected, hit Load button, and on the Open tab, select your source language and translated language if required. Choose the preferred file type, in which text will provide a clean text file without any timestamp, and subtitles which do have a timestamp, which is helpful for compositing with most of the video players and can also be edited in Subtitle editor. Let's choose Subtitle as the file type. Click Generate to begin the AI transcription. After transcription is complete, click Edit to open the Subtitle editor. Here, you can quickly review and edit any text in the subtitles, adjust the timing, and you can also able to customize the appearance. with various text styles and easy positioning and aligning options. This allows you to seamlessly transform your spoken words into captivating written content, ready for any platform. Once you're done, click export to save your video with the suitable output format like MP4 file, SRT file or project file with the new embedded subtitles. And that's it. You can download Wondershare UniConverter using the link in the description below. Available for Windows, Mac and iOS. It comes packed with powerful features designed to take your content creation game to the next level.